Hi guys, Nera back. So today it's a bit of a shopping kind of vlog. I don't know, not even a vlog, but just a shopping kind of day. I'm gonna go to IKEA and I'm gonna be buying some stuff for my room just to decorate. So yeah, I'm gonna update you as we go on and keep. So I'm in the car now, going to my favorite place. Okay, finally here. So, you're gonna frame my eye to me. So, I'm going in now. There's a queue though. I'm a little disappointed. I could only get there. Okay, so after a long queue, I'm kind of disappointed to be honest, guys, because I wanted some nice decorations, but there isn't none. So I'm kind of disappointed though, because I thought I would be able to find a lot of stuff that I wanted. I mean, it's IKEA after all. Disappointed. And the car right now is really hot. I need something to cool down. I need some ice cream or something, guys. But yeah, I'm so disappointed. Maybe I can find something somewhere else. I was basically looking for like hanging terrariums, but no luck. Maybe I should just shop online. It's better. Final bit of stuff I wanted, and can't make a trip without having some Maccas. Yeah. So I'll give you guys an update when I go home, finish decorating, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah.